Alrighty guys, let's solve some equations. First step we're going to want is to put everything into y equals form. So y equals mx plus b. Here we divide by 4, so y equals x on 4 and y equals 1 minus x will be minus x over. Get our lovely axes up, nice and straight hopefully. Caffeine. Choose a couple of points to plot. Work out what they are. 1, 2, 3, and 4, because we're going to be dividing x by 4, so it seemed like a good idea. When x is 4, y is 1. Well, you could have made the scale a bit bigger on the side, but next time. And the other one around, 1 minus x, so when x is 0, y is 1, when x is 1, y is 0. Chuck him in, and we can see approximately where our graph is going to end up. And it is asking correct to one decimal place, so give him a round up or down, depending on how you're feeling. Not quite the 1, not quite at a third, so 0.8, 0.2. Alrighty, let's jump over to B. Same thing again, when you get y on its own, so we're going to add y over there and minus the 2 over there, so we're x minus 2 equals y. If you are still struggling with moving your equations around and making the subjects of equations, I suggest you look back at your year 11 work, because that's when we covered it. Also, all the way down to like year 7. But hey, it was back in our year 11 textbook, which is up on the Google Classroom. Let's get a lovely axie up. Set of axes. Hopefully a little bit of straightness going on. It's just not being straight today. I don't know what's going on with it. There we go. It's beautiful. The next one's not going to work for me. Oh, actually did. It's pretty cool. Work out the scale that you're going to want to end up with. Get your x's and your y's on, because, we fancy like that. Using a ruler, if you're doing this in your book, please. It'd be very important. Alrighty. Wrap. 1, 2, one's this way, one's that way. A little bit of negative going on. My Facebook is apparently going completely insane, because, why not? Next is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1, so y is 1. X is 0. 0 minus 2 is minus 2, so y is minus 2. And we've got our lovely graph there. Our first line. It's just not wanting to be straight for some reason today. It is actually significantly easier to do drawing in a book. Who knew? Gotta love a good ruler. Now you're just messing with me, line. Oh yeah, because that works. Totally. Alright, in our other one, when x is 0, y is minus 1. When x is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, y is 2. When x is minus 1, y is minus 4. And throw that graph in, diddly in, diddly in, diddly in, diddly in. X what? Look at our approximately, stupid lines not being straight and stuff. Let's get approximately beautiful there. A little bit off. Yeah, close enough. If they were a little bit straighter, we'd end up with minus like a half, minus a half. To minus 2.5-ish. Looks good. Alright, let's clean him up and get to the next one. See? Alrighty, minus that x away, y equals 3 minus x, and then y equals 4x. Check on a graph. Graph, not particularly perpendicular, but we'll work with what we got. Alrighty, looks like we're going to be timesing some numbers by 4 and minusing things from 3, so let's get some bigger numbers out there. 5. Okay, when x is 1, y is 5. When x is 0, y is... Oh, when x is 1, y is 5. That's crazy talk. When x is 1, y is 4. And when x is 0, y is 0. But our other one, we've got 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. All the way down, so that's our first, with that lovely negative gradient. And now we'll do the other one, which I just started with because it's both pretty easy actually. Whee! And where do they cross? Where do they cross? It's not quite at 1. So with that 0.5 part. And not quite up to that scratch of 3, just under the 2.5. Alrighty, on to D. Alright. And getting our y's on their own. That's a lovely, lovely equation. Doesn't matter, we're just going to be subbing some numbers and see what happens. It will be okay. A little bit of a graph. Let's choose some numbers to work it out there. Watch here. Let's go up. Go up and go down. Alright. That first line, when x is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, so y is 2. When x is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, so y is 1. Hey look, there's our first line. You can keep putting some more in, you'll notice that it's going back 1 and down 1. It does have a gradient of 1. It's a positive line. I don't know what's going on there. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful straight line. Isn't it pretty? Alright, now next one. Sub in your values. When x is 0, 7 minus 0 over 4 is 7 over 4. 7 over 4 is, of course, 1 3/4. It's up by halfway between there. And then when x is 1, 7 minus 8 is minus 1. So we've got minus 1/4. And there's our lovely one there. And we cross it over. That's like 1.3-ish, and that's minus 0.488. Yeah, that looks so. Alrighty, E. Let's have a look. We've got half x minus a half equals y, because we had to divide that 2y out, and then we've got I think I put the wrong equation there. It should be 4 over 3, not 3 over 4. Be wary with that one. That will make a very big difference later. Have to do some magic to fix him in a sec. But let's just get our first graphity graphed. There we go. Not been marks of 4 because we will be cutting things out by 4 at some point. Or actually by 3 later because that is upside down again. Making poor decisions with my writing skills. As long as they're even, it should be fine. I just need to change that second equation. Divided by 3, not divided by 4. Silliness. Alright, our first one. When x is 0, y is negative a half. So we find our 0, negative a half point. There he is, he's gorgeous. When x is 1, half minus a half is 0. So when x is 1, y is 0. 2 points, we can make a line out of those. If you do want to, you can go when x is 2. So 1 minus a half is a half, and that gives you the rest of that line. Isn't that pretty? It's such a pretty line. Alright, let's just fix up that equation. So it should have been 4 over 3, not 3 over 4. Y equals 3 minus 4x, and we divided by 3 all the way. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 4 divided by 3 is 4 over 3x. Now we're going to sum in some gorgeous numbers, and when x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y should be line, negative a third. Wherever it is, there, right down there. We have beautiful line, isn't it pretty? It's not going to go straight for me again. Yes. I wouldn't. Anyway, I've got that gorgeous point there, which is, yeah, it's over there, 0.75, so 0.8 and minus 0.1. Yeah, that's good.